Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this nice SAT equation. If 3x minus y is equal to 12, what is the value of 8 power x over 2 power y? So the only thing you need to do is make these two numbers to a common base. So you can write, you have 8 raised power x over 2 raised power y. So you can write 8 as 2 raised power 3. So 8 power x will be 2 power 3x. This is over 2 power y. So according to the laws of indices, this should be the same as 2. It's a division between these two numbers and they have a common base. So it means you just get a difference of the powers. So you have 2 raised power 3x minus y. But remember, 3x minus y is equal to 12. So this is the same as 2, and you replace 3x minus y by 12. So it means the correct answer is A. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe.